we're done with the support and resistance. Mamaya pagsamahin natin siya. So dun lang muna, dito muna tayo sa candlestick analysis. So we're done with the support and resistance, right? So yun nga, like what I've said, ganito lang siya. Lalagay mo lang siya ng ganyan. But of course, kailangan natin ng confirmation. Actually, meron nga dito, ito nakikita ko. Kung nakasabay lang tayo. Anyway. So, candlestick analysis na tayo, guys. So most new traders learn a little bit about candlestick analysis, but most of what they learn is completely useless. Why? Well, the standard approach to candlestick analysis is basic pattern recognition, which usually fails to work in real trading. So, yun lang. Kapag gumamit ka kasi ng just plain candlestick lang, hilaw kulang. So, kailangan mo pang dagdagan. So, kaya natin kinumbine yung candlesticks at saka yung price action or yung support and resistance. Spinning top. Are you guys familiar with spinning top? Spinning top, okay. So, normally people say that a spinning top means a reversal is about to happen. Magkakaroon daw ng reversal, which can be true. It can mean that price is temporarily stalling. Pwede. It can mean a lot of things, actually. So, thinking of candles as simple pattern is the wrong way to do things. You need to look beyond the pattern and read the story of price. So, dito na tayo sa story of price na kailangan maintindihan natin kung bakit nagkaroon ng ganyang candlestick. Okay? Usually, when we see a spinning top, either reversal is about to happen or it's a continuation. Okay? Tandaan niyo yan. Mamaya gagamitin natin yan. Not just spinning top, just only an example. Meron tayong bullish spinning top and then bearish spinning top. So, yun. Wait lang. The story of price. Pansin nyo guys, ang hilig ko sa stories, no? Okay, so the story of price. At tamad naman ako basahin to. So the foundation of Forex trading strategy is reading and understanding the story of price. When you combine those candles together, you can get the story of price. So lalagyan natin ng story yung mga candlesticks natin para mas maintindihan natin if the buyers is in control or sellers. Okay? Yun lang gusto sabihin nito. Ang haba kasi niyan, sorry. So, being able to accurately answer this question is vital. If you're about to enter a short trade and you ask yourself who is in control of price and your answer is buyers, then of course, selling is not a great idea. Okay, tama naman. Alright. Just to let you know, so every single candle, it tells a story. So there's only 3 possible answers lang naman kasi. Either buyers or sellers or wala. Neither. Confused. Ganon. Okay, so take a look on this one. If you look at the 3 highlighted candles, which is this, kita nyo naman siguro ito. It is easy to conclude the sellers are in control of price. Okay, sure yan. Sellers naman talaga ang nagko-control ng price natin dito. So, the candles are bearish and they all had small upper wicks. Or let's just say the candles all close lower than they open. So, open, close, open, close, open, close, lower than they opened, right? Okay, so yun lang. Next. Explain ko to mamaya. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Next. This is now an indecision candle. So, kanina, bearish siya. Okay, pababa. And then, nagkaroon ng indecision candle. So, do you still remember yung sabi ko, spinning top? So, spinning top to. So, lumabas yung spinning top here. So, after us knowing who's pushing the price, which is sellers, diba kanina? Sellers pushing the price. Then, bigla na lang may lalabas na indecision candle. Okay, so let's talk about indecision candle ha. Ito yung story niyan. So, the indecision candle occur when neither buyers or sellers can gain and maintain control of price. Okay, so if you take a look at this one, this is a bullish trend. Ito, this is a bullish trend. And then, merong pumasok na indecision candle. So, meaning, hindi na natin alam kung sino na ang may control ng price. Hindi na buyers or sellers, pero dito tayo papasok actually. Okay. Now, this is very common. If you try to check the chart, this is very common. So after nung tinatawag natin na preceding, biglang may lalabas na indecision candle. Common yan. It is actually powerful to use, pero dapat tama in the right way. So the big bullish candles here, it can tell us that during the highlighted period dito, buyers were in complete control of the price. Pero may lumabas na indecision. Okay, next. Explain ko. Notice that when price hits the resistance, we get the indecision candle. Sa resistance po siya tatama dapat ha. So yun yung ina-eye natin. Na after ng strong market movement, dapat tumama yung indecision candle dun either sa resistance or doon sa support. Okay. Now, let's talk about the power of reversal strategy. Mamaya, apply natin to. Madali lang to, guys. Okay, so, reversals are one of the strongest price action setups and one of the easiest to trade. And because they occur so often, you can trade this setup exclusively and be a profitable trader. In fact, for years, Forex trading strategy focused on reversals only. So, okay, let's talk about reversal ha. Reversal is actually the easiest to spot in trade. You will see this often kapag chinek mo. Pero kung hindi mo alam kung anong hinahanap mo, you cannot trade reversal. Actually, sa price action guys, pwede kayong gumamit ng continuation strategy, pwede nyo isama ang ranging strategy, swing strategy, breakout, ganyan, scalp traders, pwede. But this time, we will only focus on one type of setup, which is the reversal. So, it's like price action reversal yung gagawin natin. Okay. So, how to spot a reversal? For us to see kung magkakaroon ng reversal, we need to have a preceding trend. First, preceding trend. Second, indecision candle. And third is the reversal trend. Kuha ba? Tatlo yan ha, how to spot a reversal. Okay. So let's talk about first, preceding trend. Preceding trend is a strong move by the bulls, heading into an area of support or resistance. Ayan. It's a strong move. Tandaan nyo, strong move siya na papunta either sa support or papunta sa resistance. This one is a strong move. This is controlled by sellers and papunta siya sa support. Okay? So, as you can see here, sellers are pushing the price down into support area. Kapag malakas ang bulls, parang ano lang yan, parang basketball. So, malakas ang bulls or the buyers, then it would not be trending down. So, sa example na to, it's clearly that bears or the sellers have a strong control ng price. Lagi nyo tatandaan yan. Kapag nagtitrade tayo, pag sinabing preceding, aalamin mo muna kung sino ang nagko-control ng presyo. Now, babalik tayo rin. Opposite lang to. Pag ito naman, pataas, so buyers. So, bullish preceding trend ang tawag dito. Ito, of course, bearish preceding trend. Ito, bullish. Whatever. Okay, so yun lang. bullish preceding trend ang tawag dito. So the buyers are pushing the price towards the resistance. So this is your resistance. Okay. Now, what do you notice this? This is just one single pa. So this is one candle or single candle preceding trend. Okay? Hindi po, simula nung sinasabi ko, hindi lang tatlo kailangan, apat or marami, okay lang kahit isang candlestick lang yan. As long as it shows that there is a strong move heading into an area either of support or resistance. Okay? Kahit isa lang, okay lang yun. Basta may makita ka lang na strong move of price heading towards either support or resistance, that's preceding. Okay. The indecision candle. So after preceding, papasok na tayo sa indecision. Again, tatlo po siya ha. Ano tawag dito? Pupunta tayo dun sa tinatawag natin na preceding. And then next is indecision candle. So indecision candle. So a reversal setup will have 1 to 3 indecision candles. So the indecision candles need to form on or near the support and resistance. Okay, tandaan nyo. So kailangan niya mag-form doon sa support and resistance. Ayan. Near doon sa support and resistance. So if indecision does not form on or near the area of support and resistance, then it is not a valid reversal setup. Hindi pa po yan magre-reverse. Kung magre-reverse man yan, sinuwerte lang tayo dyan. Pero ganun. So stick tayo sa rules ha. Okay. Kailangan yung magamay to. Kasi by next week, ituturo ko na yung scalping type na ganito. Mas mabilis yun. 5 minutes lang kasi yun eh. Pero, basta mamaya explain ko. Okay. Dito tayo. So, why does it need to be on a support and resistance area? So, bakit kailangan hihintayin natin? Bakit hindi pwedeng nandito na siya? Ayan. Kasi I understand naman, guys, even me, sometimes we want to enter early, lalo na pag yung prediction mo, halimbawa, the price is going up. So, minsan may confirmation ka bago ka mag-buy, right? Minsan ang ginagawa natin, bago tayo pumasok dun sa buy, bago tayo mag-place ng buy or bago natin hindi na natin hinihintay yung confirmation, papasok na ulit tayo. Bakit? Kasi para mas malaki yung profit natin. But the truth is, every time that we do that, mas lalong uncertain yung ginagawa natin. Okay? So, kailangan, syempre, hihintayin natin yung confirmation. This is not yet confirmed. So, kapag ganito yung itsura, after ng preceding, bigla may pumasok na indecision candle, like this preceding and then indecision candle, hindi naman siya tumama dun sa support mo o dun sa resistance mo, wala ka munang gagawin. You have to wait. Kailangan mo maging patient, ganun. Okay, so ayun nga yung kung bakit hindi, because it only indicates one thing, which is indecision. Diba? Undecided pa, so wag ka munang gumawa ng decision. Okay. You cannot take a trade based solely on indecision. Dapat lang naman. Hindi ko na masyadong i-explain to. So, yeah. Pasok na tayo sa reversal trend. So, for the reversal trend, what do you notice here? So, from the preceding, this is preceding, right? Tapos merong indecision, and then after indecision, nagkaroon na ng reversal. So, this indecision is more like the confirmation that a reversal is about to happen. So, yun yung hihintayin natin. Okay, kuha ba? So, the reversal, again, reversal trend is the third and most important part of reversal setup. Kasi, dito po tayo kumikita. This is where we make our profit dun sa reversal. So, ulitin ko, explain ko. Wala lang, gusto ko lang ulitin. So, this is a preceding bullish. I just want to make sure na nakuha nyo siya. Tatlo yan kasi. So, This is a preceding bullish and then papasok sa indecision, but it should be doon sa may support or doon sa may resistance siya. Hindi pwedeng nasa baba o hindi rin pwedeng nasa taas na siya. So doon, and then after that, doon papasok yung tinatawag natin reversal. So we will wait for the reversal. Okay. So in this case, we saw a transition of power from preceding bullish, which is this, is the preceding bullish. And then separated by indecision candle on the resistance, and then yun na yun, reversal. Question is, where do you enter the trade? Oh, ayun na. So may ganito ka na, ang tanong, saan mo na nga daw ipapasok yung trade mo? This is very crucial. Simple lang din naman. So easy, you just need to enter after indecision and before reversal trend. After indecision and before reversal trend. So sa gitna siya, no? Parang kumbaga dito ka papasok. Okay? So before daw before ng reversal. Before ng reversal, after ng indecision. Right after. Do you guys notice, every time I send signals or trade signals, napapansin nyo hindi siya advanced. Like, isisend ko siya ngayon pero mamaya mo pa siya iti-trade. Kapag sinend ko siya, automatic dapat ipasok mo na yung trade. Bakit? Kasi dito siya naka-base. Naka-base siya na right after ng indecision candle at bago pumasok yung reversal, dapat nakapasok ka na. Kaya nga sabi ko, kung late na, malayo ka na dun sa entry, huwag ka nang pumasok. Kasi most probably, it's too late. Or, kung hindi man late, tapos na. I mean, like, totally tapos na siya. Okay. Nasaan na ba tayo? So, here's the thing. You need to enter at the right time. So, sabi ko nga, it's very crucial. Ang bagal pala yata ng ano ko yan. It's very crucial na matsyempohan mo talaga siya. But, it's really effective naman kapag ka nakapasok ka. So, you need to enter the reversal trade after indecision candle closes and before a reversal trend completely takes off. O, diba? Obviously, if you enter after the reversal trend takes off, it is too late. Or you also need to make sure you do not enter too early as you could be entering a false setup. So, baka mali yung pasukan mo kapag masyado kang maaga. Okay. So, if you entered too early, you would have failed. Bakit? Kasi yung failed trades happen when, failed trades happen, there's nothing you can do about them. Pero ang gagawin natin kasi, bago dapat talaga, or right after ng indecision candle, doon ka na papasok. So, ganun lang. So, waiting for reversal candle to close to get in would be too late. This is already too late. Bakit siya too late? Kasi nandito na yung price Kumbaga, ito at saka dito ka na lang banda. So, yung kita mo, ito na lang. So, mababa lang ang kikitain mo pagka ganyan. So, this means you miss out a lot of potential. So, which obviously, it's not good. Now, the key to reversal trading or any trading for that matter is getting in the right time. So, how do you do that? So, paano tayo papasok at the right time? So, getting in at the right time. So, when indecision candle forms on the area, I'll just use this spotlight. So when indecision candle forms on an area of support or resistance, you can use the high or low of the indecision candle as an entry trigger and as a stop loss. So, paano? So, as you can see here, bakit nawala yung recording ko? Okay. So, as you can see here, dito tayo papasok sa, yan. Okay, again. So, meron tayong indecision candle, right? So, after ng preceding, wag nyo nang hintayin na lumabas yung reversal. Dapat hindi mo na. Preceding and then papasok yung indecision candle. Ang entry nyo, dun mismo sa low ng candlestick. Yung current candlestick, dun ka papasok sa low niya. Which is, this will be your entry and then your stop loss dun sa taas niya. Pero minsan minumove ko siya ng konti. Kasi minsan sobrang masyadong malapit eh. So ganun lang. Ganun lang yung idea niya. Okay? Ulitin ko. Kailangan makuha niyo to kasi importante yung entry eh. It's very crucial na dapat alam niyo kung saan kayo papasok. So again, after ng preceding, may lalabas na indecision, which is the indecision candle. Dito ka ngayon papasok banda sa price na to. Okay? Sa price na to, dito ka papasok. Now, your entry, you can set few pips below the low of the indecision candle. Not exactly like yung sobrang saktong-sakto dun sa low. Hindi ganon. You have to at least set few pips lang, konti lang. Medyo malapit lang siya. And then, that's D1 to D1. SL naman, yung stop loss natin, ganon din. Few pips above the highest point of the candle. Doon. So, you will notice this, guys, na mababa lang ang ating losses here. Kasi maliit lang eh. Maliit yung losses. Pero mas malaki yung reward. Okay. So, yun lang. Now, just to let you know, yung highs and lows ng indecision candle, that's very important. Kapag may new low sa resistance, meaning sellers have taken control of price. Okay. Ayan, so image shows indecision candle has formed on resistance after bullish preceding trend. So we want to enter a reversal selling trade. Okay. Alam niyo naman guys kung magbabay kayo or sell, di ba? Syempre kapag malapit sa resistance, magsisell tayo. Ang tanong saan tayo magsisell? Doon tayo magsisell sa few pips away from the lows from the low of the current candle. Alright, so nakuha niyo naman na siguro yan. So this is the most simple form of trade entry but also one of the most effective. Okay, so ganun din. Kapag naman pababa siya, paano naman yon? Pag pababa, meron lumabas na candlestick. You have to check this one. So ito siya. So bullish spinning top. Usually spinning top yung lumalabas eh. Okay. So after preceding indecision, ang entry mo is doon malapit sa high. Doon ang entry and then ang stop loss mo dito sa baba ng low. Okay, so ganon. Now, next. Now that you know your price entry, so syempre dapat alam na natin kung saan naman tayo magti-TP. O, ganun yun eh. Pag ako talaga nagturo, laging may SLTP, hindi pwedeng wala. Kasi, dun nagiging consistent yung trading strategy mo. Nagiging consistent yung trades mo and also your decision making. Guys, ang hirap kaya mag-trade ng hindi mo alam kung saan pupunta. Yung hindi mo alam kung ano mangyayari sa account mo. Let's say, it's just open trade. Pagka-trade mo, aalis ka, pagbalik mo, yung kinakabahan ka, hindi mo na alam kung anong mangyayari dun sa trades mo. Ang hirap kaya ng ganun. Like, hindi mo alam kung magkano na yung losses mo, hindi mo rin alam kung yung profit mo natamaan na ba or what. Unlike, yung meron kang strategy or meron kang SLTP, stop loss take profit, meron kang ganun, alam mo yun, less na yung kaba na pag chinek mo yung laptop mo or kahit hindi mo i-check yung trades mo, alam mo na kapag nanalo ka, ito yung presyo. Pag natalo ako, ito yung presyo. So, ba't ka magpapanik? At the first place, alam mo naman siguro kung magkano yung possible income mo, magkano yung possible losses mo. So, hindi siya masakit sa ulo. So, yun lang yung kinaganda kasi you can control your losses. Dami ko na naman kinikwento. Anyway, so place your target before major barriers like the next area of support or resistance. So, yun na, meron tayong TP. So, yung TP natin, so, syempre, by position ka. So, nag-entry ka dito. Sorry, wala pala akong highlighter. So, nag-enter ka dito. This is your entry and then this is your TP. So, yung TP mo, hindi dapat dito. Hindi dapat lumabas ng resistance ang TP, guys, ha? Dito lang, bago pumasok dun sa next resistance level. Okay. So, kaya importante, of course, na-set mo na yung support and resistance mo, and then after that, confirmation na lang. Di ba? Ang dali lang. Ganyan. So, as you can see on this one, sayang no, hindi ka nakapasok dito. Here. Ito. So, kung ito, this is the preceding, ito yung sa preceding, tapos ito, pumasok yung indecision candle. So, teka, ang hirap kasi ng drawing tools ko ito. So, kung pumasok ka, just medyo dito banda ikaw, dito yung entry mo niyan. Ayan, palitan ko nga yung kulay niyan. So, ang entry mo dyan, ayan ang entry mo. Ang stop loss mo ngayon is nandito. Baka hindi nyo nakikita. Ayan, lalakihan ko. Ang stop loss mo, ito. Baliktad. Sige na. I guess you guys can see it. So, dito mo ilalagay yung stop loss. Stop loss. Sige, gagawin ko na lang para mas TP. Ay, sorry. Nasaan na ba ako? Nandito dapat ang TP Kulang pa ng line. So ang TP mo is somewhere here. Guys, huwag kayo malito sa line. Maglalagay pa ako ng isa kasi. Gawin natin blue. And then, nasa na ba tayo? Oops. And let's add this. Ang ingay naman ng mga kapitbahay. Ano ba yan? Teka lang.
Ma'am, pwede ba mag-question?
Yes po. TP. Ano po yun?
Ma'am, ano bang time frame yan, ma'am?
D1 po, D1. D1 po. This is
sa D1. Okay, salamat, ma'am.
Yeah, this is actually for swing at saka position, guys. Mamaya explain ko sa inyo bakit ito yung tinuro ko. Okay. Ayan na. Huwag kayong malito sa lines. Okay, yung mga violet lines, nakikita niyo ba? Yung mga violet lines, those are the support and resistance levels. Yung kulay green, that is your entry. It shows there, that's your entry for a selling entry. And then, yung SL mo, nasa taas, ito. Yung entry mo nandito, yung SL mo nandito, nasa taas siya ng highs ng iyong indecision candle. Di ba yung nasa gitna? Remember, that's your indecision candle. Now, saan ka mag-enter? Enter ka konti dun sa baba, few pips away from the lows of your indecision candle. So, dito na ngayon ang entry natin. And then, TP, bago pwede mo pa siyang iurong, it's up to you. Kunyari, dyan yung nilalagay yung TP mo. So, yung TP mo, bago mag-support. Okay, hindi pwedeng lagpas siya ng support, dapat bago siya mag-support. Okay, let me just move it a bit kasi medyo malapit siya. Yan. Pwede mo siyang ilagay dyan. So, it's like you enter here and then you close it here. This is actually 221 pips. So, yeah, 221 pips, but it could be, let's say, how many days to. So, from here, most probably here, tapos, dito lang eh. Dito siya mag-close. So, 4 days. 4 days, ayan, nabitawan ko, teka. 4 days. 4 days around 216, or let's just say, close it to 200 pips. So, 200 pips siya. Kung 200 pips, guys, magkano yung kikitain mo kung naka-point 10 ka? Ayan, magtatanong ako. Kung 200 pips, magkano yung kikitain mo kung naka-point 10 ka? This is, sige, ito na lang, point 10. Point 10, that's $1 per pip. So, kung 200 pips yan, that is $200. So, $200 for days. Ano to ha? Swing to ha? Okay, so lang yung example niya. Sorry? Ang salita. Okay, so, ayan, nakuha na ba? So, ulitin ko guys. Preceding candle, may lalabas na indecision candle, pero yung indecision dapat nandun siya sa nakadikit siya sa, or malapit siya doon sa support or resistance. Like this one, oh no, ano nangyari? Teka ha. Ingay kasi ng kapitbahay, nakakainis. Ayan. So here, so preceding candle, tapos may pumasok na indecision candle, then saan mo ilalagay entry? So syempre kapag buying opportunity ang entry mo dito sa taas, stop loss mo sa baba ng candle na to, and then yung target mo before nung opposite niya or nung next resistance level. Baliktarin nyo lang guys kung halimbawa bullish preceding na siya. Okay. So what about risk and reward ratio? It's up to you if you want to do this. Bigyan ko kayo ng copy guys, pero it's up to you kung gusto nyo pang bilangin yung risk and reward ratio. Kasi meron akong ibang ginagamit na risk and reward ratio. Actually, meron tayong risk calculator, pwede nyo gamitin yun. But this will also work, which is 1:1.5. So, yun. Sa next ko na lang to i-explain. I think nag-exit na kasi yata ako eh. Pero tapusin ko Ito guys, kapag may risk and reward ratio kayo, ito yung sinasabi ko. Kapag hindi kaya ng account nyo yung stop loss, guys, don't trade. Wag tayo mag-trade. Or kapag kayong TP nyo, masyado namang mataas yung target nyo dun sa minimum na risk management nyo, wag nyo na lang din siya ituloy. Kasi lahat ng trades natin nakabase po yan sa ating balance. Okay? Hindi porke na halimbawa ako, ang closing ko, I will be closing ko for SL or nakaset ang SL ko at 100 pips. Kasi kaya ng account ko. Paano kung halimbawa, yung account mo sobrang baba niyan. Pagpasok pa lang ng 30 pips pagpasok pa lang ng 30 pips wala na. Bago pa siya mag 100, 30 pips, ubos na. So, you have to consider your balance. Okay? I just want to be realistic. So, lahat ng trades, lahat ng strategy, lahat ng ginagawa nyo, you have to consider your balance kung kaya ng balance mo. Pag hindi kaya ng balance mo, wag mo nang ituloy yung trade. Kahit sabihin mo, ang ganda ng opportunity nito. So, yun din yung reason kung bakit hindi na ako masyado nag-encourage na maglagay ng sobrang baba na account. Kasi guys, promise, kahit kayo, alam nyo sa sarili nyo yan, ang hirap mag-survive kapag sobrang baba ng capital nyo. Kasi hindi na tayo makakagalaw. Mahirap gumalaw. And most likely, itabi na lang natin yung pera kung sobrang baba. Kasi sayang mawawala lang siya. Parang pinaglaruan mo lang siya. So, ganun. Yun na, sinasabi ko lang. Yeah, so you can go ahead and try this. Okay, so bigyan ko lang kayo kung paano ko siya ginagawa. Usually kasi, like this one, tanggalin ko muna yung mga arrows. Tanggalin ko muna tong lahat, tong mga to. Kunyari, walang laman. So, start tayo halimbawa, palitan nga natin to. Wait lang. Ganyan, ano na lang tayo. Kunyari, ito, Euro USD. Okay. So, pupunta ka sa D1. Okay? Kunyari, yan na, natutunan natin, start na tayo. So, naked chart, walang laman. So, lalagyan natin ng mahiwagang horizontal lines. Pwede natin siya mababa konti. Yan. It doesn't need to be perfect, but at least nakuha nyo naman siguro kung bakit. Kung saan madalas nagsustall yung price, doon nyo siya ilalagay. So, ito, yung high and lows. And then, ayan. So, dito. Parang mapapaisip ka kung ilalagay mo siya. Teka. At ayaw kumalaw. Ay, sorry, kaya naman pala naka-D1. Ay, naka-ano ko, H4. Kaya pala sabi ko parang wala masyadong... So, guys, again, D1. After ng D1, you have to zoom out, zoom in, whatever. Pero, ang goal natin is 1 year, at least 1 year. So, again, D1. Sulatan ko kaya to. So, first, D1. Pagkatapos ng D1, zoom nyo siya sa 1 year. 1 year. 1 year. Okay, so 1 year tayo. So this is already 1 year because, or pwede pa yata siya. Hindi, masyadong OA na to. July 2019, yan, pwede na yan. July 2019, tapos ngayong date, June. So pwede na to. So ayusin na natin yung horizontal kasi nagulo eh. So ayusin natin siya. All-time high for this year. Ano ba? Ayaw. Yan. Ano ba yan? Okay, ito. Okay, so guys, kita nyo na ha. So, 4 lang yung nalagay ko. Pagka sumabra kayo ng 8, ibig sabihin, sobrang dami na niyan. Okay, so yan. Uy! Parang medyo okay to Ayan guys. What do you notice here? Lakihan ko nga. Medyo maano to. Okay. May nakita tayong not preceding candle. Indecision candle. Lakihan ko nga. Like this one. Ito yung indecision candle. But, here's the thing. May indecision candle siya, pero hindi strong yung movement. Meaning, kung may preceding ka man, hindi siya ganun ka-strong. See? Usually, ang preceding ganito. Yung talagang makikita mo na preceding siya. So, this one, actually, yes, you may place a trade for buying position, but it's only a short buy. Parang ganun. Short buy lang siya. Okay? So, kunyari lang this is a strong preceding. Kunyari, strong preceding na bearish or bearish, strong preceding. Kunyari lang, bearish, strong preceding. Now, what we are going to do, the question is, when are you going to buy or sell? So, ngayon, pwede na. Kasi, nandiyan na yung current candle. So, this is D1 pasok natin ngayon, saan ka mag-buy? Dito ka mag-buy. Kainis naman yung kulay kasi ba't ganun? Sige, para mas maintindihan. Gawin ko siya na green, dito ka mag-buy. Ayan. So, this is a buying area. So, dyan ka mag-buy. Saan ka mag-stop loss? Ang stop loss mo ngayon, ito yung candle, di ba? So, dito medyo sa baba ng candle na yan. So, kulayan ko yan ng red. So, yan po yung stop loss nyo. Sanang take profit mo dito, bago, it's up to you guys. Basta bago mag-resistance. So, dyan yung take profit mo. So, take profit natin. Ba magandang kulay. So, yan yung TP mo. So, ganyan lang. That's how you set it. Actually, you can place a buy here now. Pwede ka na mag-new order, tapos buy. Kunyari yan, ayoko maglagay dyan. Pero yun nga, pwede ka maglagay ng buy dito, and then you just wait for the price to come here. So, magkano yung possible na pips na pwede mo from here to this is 178 pips, pero yung stop loss mo is ilang pips na mababa lang to. 376. You can actually, pwede mo pa siya ibaba ng konti like here. Kasi it seems that the price is, na pwede siya dito. Ayan o. Dito, pantay. So, pwede ka dito maglagay. Risk 1:1.5, you can use that. So, kung ito yung ano mo, yung 1.5, so 1 yung nandito sa stop loss mo. So, yun. I have to delete this. Okay. So, yun guys. Ano pa ba? That's what I usually do. Kung mapapansin nyo, pag naglalagay ako ng trade, meron doon na, halimbawa, TP1, TP2, TP3. Ang ginagawa ko, ganito. Ito yung first TP ko, kung saan madalas nagsustall yung price. Ito yung TP1 ko. Tapos mag-a-add pa ako niya, TP2. Halimbawa, 30, 60, 90 pips. Ganon. Tapos TP3. Pero hindi ako lalagpas doon sa resistance ko. Ganon. So, TP1, 2, 3. So, i-divide mo na lang siya. Tapos, lahat pare-pareho sila ng stop loss. Okay. I think we're done. Yeah, actually, we're done.